Yeah, like I have volunteered in the hospital. I worked there for like almost 2 years, and I have worked in the ER department, the operating room department, surge center, rehab department. I actually have bagged the body too. And when I was working at the surge center, I have had like HIV positive patients come in for to remove their like part like warts on their like around the what is it, the anus area, but right. I've helped with that, like just like cleaning and stuff, and but I've got to like see it in person, right, like right there. I've got to see like open heart surgery. I've got like right next to the doctor performing the surgery. I've got to see the orthopedic surgery, open leg. I've got to see like organ transplant from this woman that was what do you call it, like brain dead, like vegetable, right, state. Yeah, yeah, I got to observe a lot of it, and I thought it was pretty cool. It was just that like I didn't like how some of the doctors treated the nurses. Noticed that a lot of, or some of the doctors could be really entitled and condescending, so arrogant. Some of them, the way they talk to the nurses, like you could clearly tell that like these doctors um feel superior to the nurses, and they talk down on them or talk down to them, right? I didn't really like that. Like it really rubbed me the wrong way. um like one time, like this doctor was performing a brain surgery. Like this guy had like what do you call it, a stroke, right? So he had to open up the skull, right? So I could, yeah, I was like standing right next to the doctor performing that open brain surgery, and like he used like a drill to like open the skull. It was quite wild. But anyways, the one of the nurses brought the gauze, for the doctors, for that doctor to use, and I guess she brought the wrong gauze, and then the doctor told the nurse like to bring the right gauze he always uses, right size. And then the nurse told him that, hey doctor, like this is the gauze you always have been using, you have always been used, right? This is the right size. And then while he's performing the brain surgery, he flips out and he just goes ape shit and like on this nurse, and they starts to yell at her saying, I've been performing brain surgery for the last 30 years. I know what kind of gauze size, I use. You don't get to tell me what size I use, okay? If I tell you if this is not the right size, this is not the right size. Okay, so now bring me the right size, okay? Oh my gosh, it was so awkward, and like it was kind of scary too, intimidating, right? Because I was sitting right, like standing right there. And then I guess like I felt so uncomfortable there. And me and my other intern, we decided to just leave like that, right? Dip out of the... she's like looking at me, and she was like, should we just go out? And I was like, yeah, we should just go out. So we just exited the room. It was crazy. The tension and the his anger, like I could, it's so palpable, right? I could feel it. This guy wasn't having it. Yeah. Oh man. But he was still performing the surgery while yelling at them. That was pretty, I guess, professional, I guess. Yeah.